Hi everybody, BlockTech F here. Hope you're having a great week so far. And in today's analysis, we're going to take a look at two meme coins, the two dog coins, Doge and SHIB. We're going to do them in the same analysis. And we're going to start with Dogecoin. We're in the 3-day time frame. Well, right now I've made a few analysis a couple of weeks, I think, ago about meme coins or kind of any funny named coins. And what we had said in those analysis was that this is definitely not a project that you're into for the fundamentals, right? Because it's a meme coin or intended to be, a meme coin. But what it definitely can do is be a great part of a diversified portfolio because, as we have seen, these coins tend to really make very unpredictable leaps and strides in terms of price increases. I mean, just over here from the consolidation phase to the top of Doge, we had a 25,000 okay, 24,500% increase. And that would have only had happened if you'd obviously bought in during the consolidation phase. But this is exactly what I want to point out now is we once again find ourselves in a consolidation phase. And as I've explained in one of my earlier analysis, this dashed line is really helpful to kind of identify a basic support line. And what we're just going to do is we're going to draw in a very, very basic triangular consolidation. And then what we see is a perfect triangular consolidation in the 3-day time frame. All right, now usually how this plays out is one of two ideas. I'm going to take you back to the analysis on SHIB that we did, Shiba Inu. This is an analysis that must have been about a month or so ago, I believe. And we were pretty much looking at the same thing here. We had drawn in this pattern. We had said how a triangular consolidation, we could either go up from here or we could go down and go up. But we had left in the dark blue line because with meme coins, it is important to note that it is very, very likely that they go all the way back down to the start. However, once again, the closer you can come to the bottom, the better you can reaccumulate. So this over here, I'll basically say from the bottom of the triangle all the way to here is where you would be having your scattered buy orders because this is your reaccumulation zone. And this is where you would typically want to buy. You would not want to buy while a meme coin is kind of in this position here. So in your consolidation phase, if you plan to make meme coins a small part of your diversified portfolio, you'd want to reaccumulate kind of in the right place just to minimize your risk. And also, what we said in 2 days ago in our analysis was that it's very important to do this with free money, with money that it's not going to matter if you lose, because this is, after all, meme coins with no solid project or anything like that. So this is very pretty much as high as the risk gets. But as a part of a diversified portfolio, I mean, once again, over here, we did 1,300 from the bottom all the way to this top over here, 1,397%. All right, so once again, we are moving here into our triangular consolidation. We had a fake out, and now we are back into the triangle. What could happen, what we would be looking for, most importantly, is, I'll tell you now, let me just get my path. All right, we kind of want, so like I said, anything from this area to here is reaccumulation phase. And then what we would be looking for is kind of the price action to break outside of this triangle, because that will be when we go for our next rally. However, if you're doing this with free money, it's not going to bother you if the price goes as low as here before it finally turns back up. The thing is just we've got a whole year ahead of us in 2022 where we could have a bunch of different coins potentially doing a 1,000 or a 2,000, or even with Doge at 25,000. All right, we just do not know which ones those are going to be, and you might have to have a little bit of patience because it might take a month. It could be next Friday. It could be in 6 months from now. But I mean, definitely let's just take a look at this percentage again, all the way from here to the top, to be somewhat invested in a coin. Okay, this is now 43. I must have just clicked it at a different space earlier. But anyway, from the bottom of the consolidation here all the way to the top of the price marker there is 43,000%. All right, so yeah, I probably did that from here or there earlier. If you zoom in, you could just really make sure that that is exactly on the right point. Yeah, pretty much seems like it. So that is basically what you could be exposing yourself to if you just have a diversified portfolio. And unfortunately, as a part of the crypto market, you would need to be exposed to some of the meme coins. But once again, with Doge looking very similar to the SHIB chart as a consolidation, anything from the bottom of this triangle to the bottom will be a reaccumulation phase. And then what we could see is something like that before we end up turning up, or if we are really lucky, we could maybe go sideways for a little bit more and then carry on. All right, that is also why we would need scattered orders and not all the orders in one place. And that's it from my side, guys. Those are your two dog coin updates for the day. Feel free to follow the channel for daily update and check out our other channels for much more content on much more coins. Cheers.